Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, on the juice bar on the food news channel, I just want to highlight to you guys that the t-shirt them are ready. Jumper, t-shirt, jacket, mugs, cup. The link is in the description box. I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who support me. Get one of these t-shirts, wearing it. You know what I mean? Not afraid to say I'm representing for Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Alright, so the link is in the description box. Click on the link, go over, watch the video, purchase a t-shirt, wear it, take a picture, send it to Chef Ricardo, share it to the other fans and to say, listen, there are people in this world who are supporting one another. Okay? Love, peace and happiness, and this is from Chef Ricardo on a team. Please stay tuned. The t-shirt, the link is in the description box. Click on the link, go over, watch the video, watch the recipe then, leave your comments, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Subscribe is very important for me